What's the meaning of beer garden? Beer garden. Beer garden.
Beer garden. Beer garden. A beer garden is an outdoor area, typically located at a bar, restaurant, or brewery, where alcoholic beverages, particularly beer, are served. The term originated in Munich, Germany, where beer gardens have been a popular social gathering place for centuries. Traditionally, beer gardens are shaded by chestnut trees or other foliage and feature long communal tables for patrons to sit and enjoy their drinks and food in a relaxed atmosphere. Many beer gardens also offer entertainment, such as live music or games. In recent years, the popularity of beer gardens has spread worldwide, with many establishments offering their own unique spin on this classic concept.